Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to create the grainy heat map photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can apply to all types of images. All you need to do is follow the steps that I show you today, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really cool. As you can see here, what I've got is a background of a black color, and I have this bust here of this lovely Greek god, let's say, with the background removed. Now, what I need to do is actually apply the gradient itself. So what I'm going to do is come through to our adjustment layers here and go to gradient map. Now, I need to change the color of the gradient map. So I'm just going to click on the gradient here like so. And what will happen is it will bring up your gradient editor. Now, you have all your preset gradients here, but I've got one I've built already, like so. If you can, guys, try and follow these colors. So we've got a black, a purple, a red, sort of like an orangey yellow color, and a white, and press OK. And there you can see we've really got that sort of grain, that sort of heat map look going on here. So what I now need to do, though, is create a clipping mask. So I just want to affect the bust layer. So I'm going to create a clipping mask out of that. I'm going to go onto the gradient map layer, right click, create gradient map. Okay. Now, the last step that I need to do is if I come to the original layer of that bust there, like so, I'm now going to come to filter, noise, add noise. Now you can see when we're adding that noise, it really creates that sort of like grainy effect. You can change the amount here, guys, like so. I probably like around 10 would be best here. And then we press OK. And there you have it, guys. That's how you simply create the grainy heat map photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.